If you diet, your hair will fall out. Diet is harmful for diabetics. Diet causes osteoporosis. Have you ever heard of these? Hi guys, here is Health in Simple Language channel. To give us a lot of energy, please subscribe us, and ring the bell next to it, and one click on the like button. If you want to take a diet that will not cause you any problems and is also useful for the mentioned cases, stay with me until the end of the video. Is the 7-day diet effective? Lose weight, eat well, and feel great with this easy 7-day diet plan. This simple 1500 calorie meal plan is specially designed to help you feel energized and satisfied while cutting calories and lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. By having the best meal plan for weight loss, high protein and high fiber foods in this plan will help you lose weight and you will feel fuller for longer. The benefits of good nutrition in the 7-day diet for health. Energy necessary for activity during the day. Relief of type 2 diabetes. Maintaining a healthy weight and eating a balanced diet that is low in saturated fat and high in fiber with whole grains can help reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Heart health. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products can help reduce the risk of heart disease by maintaining blood pressure and cholesterol levels. High blood pressure and cholesterol can be a sign of too much salt and saturated fat in your diet. Eating some fatty fish, such as salmon and trout, each week can also help lower your risk of heart disease, because the high levels of omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish are beneficial for heart health. Strong bones and teeth. A calcium-rich diet keeps your teeth and bones strong and can help reduce age-related bone loss. Day 1. Breakfast, 387 calories, 2 cups of oatmeal with cooked bananas. Morning. Snack, 190 calories, 1 medium apple, sliced, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Lunch, 325 calories, 1 serving of vegetable and hummus sandwich. Snack, 105 calories, 1 medium banana. Dinner, 507 calories, 1 serving of chicken with 1/3 cup of cooked brown rice. Daily total, 1,514 calories, 76 grams protein, 215 grams carbs, 38 grams fiber, 47 grams fat, 1,355 milligrams sodium. Day 2. Pumpkin burger with tahini sauce. Breakfast, 387 calories, 2 cups of oatmeal with cooked bananas. Morning. Snack, 192 calories, 50 grams of cheddar cheese, 1 hard-boiled egg. Lunch, 344 calories, 1 serving of cauliflower. Snack, 95 calories, 1 medium apple. Dinner, 495 calories, serving 1 veggie zucchini burger with peas, 1 serving of oven-fried potatoes. Daily total, 1,513 calories, 53 grams protein, 203 grams carbs, 36 grams fiber, 61 grams fat, 1,976 milligrams sodium. Day 3. Easy salmon cake with sauce. Breakfast, 387 calories, 2 cups of oatmeal with cooked bananas. Morning. Snack, 95 calories, 1 medium apple. Lunch, 344 calories, 1 serving of cauliflower. Snack, 201 calories, 1 medium banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Dinner, 475 calories, 1 serving of salmon cake with spinach salad with wheat baguette. Daily total, 1,502 calories, 70 grams protein, 212 grams carbs, 38 grams fiber, 51 grams fat, 1,851 milligrams sodium. Day 4. A chicken and cucumber salad with peanut sauce. Breakfast, 393 calories, 1 serving of muesli with raspberries, 1 medium banana. Morning. Snack, 78 calories, 1 hard-boiled egg, each lightly sprinkled with salt and pepper. Lunch, 344 calories, 1 bowl of boiled peas with cauliflower. Snack, 188 calories, 1/2 cup raspberries, 1 ounce. Dark chocolate. Dinner, 521 calories, 1 cup chicken and cucumber lettuce with peanut sauce. Daily total, 1,523 calories, 70 grams protein, 194 grams carbs, 46 grams fiber, 61 grams fat, 1,324 milligrams sodium. Day 5. Mediterranean food. Breakfast 287 calories, 1 serving of muesli with raspberries. Morning snack 192 calories, 100 grams of cheddar cheese, 1 hard-boiled egg. Lunch 344 calories, 1 serving taco bowl with chipotle lime cauliflower. Snack 210 calories, 1 medium banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Dinner 454 calories, 1 serving of Mediterranean ravioli with artichokes and olives. Daily total 1,488 calories, 59 grams protein, 191 grams carbs, 43 grams fiber, 62 grams fat, 1,624 milligrams sodium. Day 6. Breakfast 393 calories, 1 serving of raspberry shake, 1 medium banana. Morning snack 200 calories, 1 medium apple, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Lunch 360 calories, 1 serving of vegetable and hummus sandwich. Snack 78 calories, 1 hard-boiled egg, each lightly sprinkled with salt and pepper. Dinner 465 calories, 1 serving of sweet potato and peanut soup, 1 slice of whole wheat baguette. Daily total 1,495 calories, 55 grams protein, 220 grams carbs, 45 grams fiber, 55 grams fat, 1,616 milligrams sodium. Day 7. Spinach pasta. Breakfast 285 calories, 1 serving of bell peppers, with an egg in the middle, with avocado salsa sauce. Morning snack 95 calories, 1 medium apple. Lunch 345 calories, 1 serving of sweet potato and peanut soup. Snack 220 calories, 1 cup of raspberries, half a bar or 100 grams of dark chocolate. Dinner 556 calories, 1.5 servings of pasta with spinach dip. Daily total 1,501 calories, 56 grams protein, 193 grams carbs, 41 grams fiber, 63 grams fat, 2,018 milligrams sodium. The superior advantage of healthy eating with a 7-day slimming diet. 1. It helps to lose weight. 2. It reduces the risk of cancer. 3. Increases safety. 4. Strengthens brain health. 5. Helps manage diabetes. 6. Improves heart health. 7. Improving brain function and the secret of youth. And finally, at the end of these 7 days, you will undoubtedly notice weight loss and general health of your body, and you have done nothing but follow a program of vegetables, fruits and water. This 7-day diet program will bring you other benefits. For example, your skin will become much clearer than before and your digestive system will work better. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe and ring the bell next to it. In this way, you made a great contribution to the production of healthy content for humanity. Thank you for your support. If you like this style of videos, you can watch these videos too.